I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Acura TLX versus Toyota Camry. We will explore their distinct market positions, performance capabilities, and interior features. Understanding these differences will help you decide which vehicle best suits your driving needs and lifestyle. Let's dive into what makes each car unique, from their engines to their overall driving experience. When it comes to performance, the Acura TLX delivers a more spirited drive with its standard 272 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter engine. The Toyota Camry, now exclusively hybrid, offers a 225 horsepower powertrain. The TLX also boasts available super handling all-wheel drive, providing superior grip and handling, especially in dynamic driving situations. The Camry focuses more on a smooth, efficient ride for daily commuting. Stepping inside, the Acura TLX emphasizes a luxurious, driver-centric experience with high-quality materials like available Milano leather and a 10.2-inch HD display. The Toyota Camry provides a comfortable and practical interior, focusing on spaciousness for all 5 passengers. Both sedans come equipped with modern technology, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration for navigation and entertainment on the go. Finally, let's consider the overall value and safety features each car offers. The Acura TLX, starting at around $46,595, provides a luxury sports sedan experience with advanced safety systems like Acura Watch. The Toyota Camry, with a starting price of approximately $29,895, delivers exceptional fuel economy and standard Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Both vehicles prioritize occupant protection with comprehensive airbag systems. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.